One of the common question is why is it Vielen Dank and not Viele Danke? So first thing is that Dank is a singular masculine noun in German. So we say der Dank. Der is the masculine article and here Dank is the singular noun. Even though we usually just say the short phrase Vielen Dank, there is actually a hidden full sentence behind it. Ich sage vielen Dank. So here, Dank is in the accusative case because it is the object of the sentence. And in the accusative case, masculine nouns require the adjective ending. So we need the adjective ending here, and that is en. So this is the reason viel becomes vielen. And we get vielen Dank. So the question was, why not viele Danke? Danke is not the plural of Dank. Dank is a masculine singular noun, but it doesn't have any plural as Danke, and hence we can never say viele Danke. That's completely incorrect. So native speakers usually prefer vielen Dank, Danke, Danke schön, Danke sehr.
For professional one-on-one online classes with tutor, contact on the given details. Do not miss out interesting offers on each available course. Join now for German and other international courses.